In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change your region and country on your PS5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to change the region and country on your PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. There are two methods to change your region and country on the PS5. Method 1. Access the PS5 settings by navigating to the top right and selecting Settings. In Settings, choose Users and Accounts, then go to Account and select Address. Enter your password if prompted, and proceed to input your city, state or province, and postal code. Once entered, click OK to update your address. Method 2. Access the PlayStation Store and scroll to the Options section. Navigate to the right until you see More represented by 3 dots and click on it. Scroll down to Storefront Country and choose the country you wish to change to. For instance, you can switch from the United Kingdom to Sweden. You can also adjust the language if needed. Once selected, confirm the changes. And that's it! These methods allow you to modify your region and country settings on your PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tech insights, visit mediamagnet.business.